Hello. So I ordered this, against my better judgment, mind you, this RX welder TIG welding kit. Comes with a couple of gas lenses, a couple of clear cups, some of the buffers, and some of the it's like a stubby kit, and I've already kind of fiddled with it, I'm not gonna lie about that, but so I'm trying to get it onto my CK Worldwide flex head number 17, and it said in the description that it fits a 17, so we're gonna give her a shot. But I haven't had good luck with it, so just kind of fiddle farting around, putting my stuff over there. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm really hoping it will. It comes with a, I really want to use this number 6. This is a cup I've been using, and it's been working really well for me. I want to try the clear, because I think the clear might help me see a little bit better. I suppose that's the point of them, in my eyes, anyways. Some of well, these do-jobbers right here, they do not seem to want to go onto this head. And I thought about honestly sending it back, because this really doesn't want to go onto the head at all. So, but it's like 25 duckies, so I wasn't going to worry about it too awful hard. Maybe I'll take a little doohickey. I think I got another one of these. It came with my torch head. Yeah, I lied. I don't. So I'm gonna try this one from CK and see if I can't use this with the stubby kit, because I don't really need the stubby per se, as much as I just really want to use the clear lens. But see, this is beveled, so that fits inside there. Man, I am bad at this camera stuff. Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. What did I do? Jeez. I am just horrible. So this is beveled, and then this one's cupped. You see, so it kind of fits it. Doesn't wiggle around too awful much. Yeah. Let me try to figure out a way, see if I can't open this guy up a little bit, clean him out a little bit, see what I got. I'll be back. Alright, so I got it on. Again, not super happy with it, but I'll tell you how I got it on. Just because, sure, that's why. So basically, I took my little pocket gizmo here, and I cleaned around the inside of here, just a bunch of little times. Took about 4 or 5 minutes. And then yeah, put her on. So now let's, the next stage in the evolutionary process is trying to get this bugger on, which, mind you, again, like I said before, I already opened it once, and I tried this, and none of it was fun. None of it was fun. So I'm going to give you a little glimpse about me fiddling around with this. There's no instructions either, which, that's another, you know, I understand that, you know, some of these things you should already know, but I don't. So, you know, I would like it to be. See that that O-ring just like slips off the threads. So I'm not really certain how they want you to do this. Wondering if you slide two of them on there and you get them together, maybe it'll act almost like a lock nut, you know, and keep it from pooping up there, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like a freaking special needs person because, you know, I just can't figure this crap out, but see, like, oh, there we go. So, I am in fact an idiot. There's this, I'll give you another one to look at. There's this collar guy right here. See if I'm even in the frame. Focus. Let me see if this helps. Hold on. Ah. So you got this guy right here. And then you got the threads. And I was thinking that the O-ring had to stay on the thread. But as usual, I was wrong. O-ring looks like it goes up in that guy. And then this guy squeezes on there. So, let's, did I already break this yet? Sure looks like it. Damn it. I already cracked it right in half in two, I did. Wonder if it was when I dropped it, probably. Or a different time, but let me see, what's this one? Is this a number 6? Yeah, see, this is a number 6. That bums me out. Of course, the only cup that I really wanted to fiddle fart around with was the number 6, but I'm going to slap another number 5 on there. And then we'll see how that guy goes. I'm just gonna, you know what, I'll just do it anyways. Let me see what this guy has to say. I've never used one of these. The short, what I'm saying, I've never used one of the short back caps. I don't know if my tungsten's short enough. Well, it's not tungsten, so this one is probably not short. There it is. I need to sharpen it. To see about putting her in the old vise. Give me about yay much, I suppose. Hiya! Look at that. With the magic of film, it's broken. I'm not really pleased with the break, but you know, such is life. Let's put that bad boy back in there. I'm probably going to use that number 6 cup, even though I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can kind of see it, the little crack right here. That is just depressing. But, you know, you get what you paid for. And mind you, this on the old Amazon was probably, I think 26 bucks, 30 bucks, something around there with shipping. So, you know, not too bad. I mean, definitely not something that I would recommend to a lot of people. But then again, you know, I'm going to weld with it and see how it does, and maybe I'll friggin' love it. Who knows? But, yeah, that's the RX, you know, 16 and 18 welder cup set. I think it's 18. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. Let me go sharpen this tungsten, and then we'll flim-flam it up in there. And then, yeah, we'll give her a beat and see how she does, alright? I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty, so I'm back. I'm going to try some butt weld here. I'm going to clean up the weld and try some tacks. I don't know if this will ruin my phone or whatnot, so I'm doing an arc shot. But, you know, we'll see. Oh yeah, and for full honesty, I was trying to put my tungsten in the other one, and I forgot to put the collet in, so then I had to grab the stubby gas collet, and so that was embarrassing, but just wanted to be honest. Now, I've already wire brushed these and whatnot, so yeah, I'm gonna give her a shot. The machine's running at I got her set at 150 amperes, and look at that. Look at what it took off there. I mean, it's a brand new rag. Literally just opened her up. Give that second to dry off. Get that. Get my helmet up. Jitterbug fell in. There's that. Let's see. Well, you're in the shot. I'm in the shot. Let's give it a shot, I suppose. I meant to do that. I'm running at like 15 CFM of pure unadulterated argon. These tacks, the one looks like, this guy over here looks like it'll hold something, but you know, I doubt it. We'll grab ourselves one of those fancy filler rods. I'm using 3/32 ER 5356. That to me means nothing because I don't really know what the difference is between the welding rods, but I figure if I say it I sound a lot smarter. I don't, but you know, there's that. We're gonna give this a shot, and we're just gonna do a little short run, not the full length. And I'm gonna start from over here, I think, and drag this way, and you know, give her a shot and see how it looks. hey, you know, I'm not unhappy with that. It's you know, a short little run. I know it's not like a super long run. It looks like I got, I don't know if it's the light from the camera. Let me put the flash. There we go. No, I think it was just a shade, shade, something. So, you know, I'm not unhappy with that. Yeah. We'll do another run, but I think I'm going to put my old gloves on this time and see what happens. And FYI, if anybody's looking at sharpshooting me, these are 100% not TIG welding gloves. I'm aware of that, but they were free. They were in the trunk of my car, so that's what I'm using, you know? Look at that. I mean, that's all for me. It's not the, let me see if I can't, there we go. It's not the greatest, but, you know, you look here, you know, I got decent cleaning throughout. You know, my torch angle, or my torch height, mind you, would be better. I didn't have a good start over here, but I feel, for what I've been doing, my finish is a little bit better over here. That I didn't focus. That my finish is a little bit better. See, I didn't blow that out, which I'm used to doing, but I did still fisheye it. So I'm trying to you know, not do that so much. But yeah, I don't hate this. I don't hate it. You know. See what the backside looks like, eh? Probably looks like garbage. I'm gonna edit it out for sure if it does. Well, only a little piece of sugaring, but I don't know if that means I didn't penetrate or what, but I suppose I could put it up in the vise and give her a couple of whacks. See what that does. It's, God, I am horrible at the whole camera thingy. You know what I mean, guys? I'm sorry. It's, the heater's working today. Look at this. I'll start small, it'll make me feel better. Yeah. Yeah, it was a good topical weld for sure. Focus. It's only penetrated just a wee bit. I think that means that I need more heat, but I don't know. I really don't know. I'm kind of interested in my other piece that I did. I did another piece. Stand up, you jackrabbit. I'm going to get video of the year on this one, but so here's one that I did. This isn't welded in here. It looks like garbage, but it's not welded in there. So we're gonna go like this. The weakest area should be right here. This one though is double side welded, so we're gonna give that a couple of whaps to see what that does. Definitely need to go to some 1/8. I need to get some 1/8 tungsten with some 1/8 filler so I can really go a little bit hotter, I think. Alright, back to our regular schedule thing. My lovely family came in and seen me. So as you can see, it did break, which is a true testament to my hammering ability. But yeah, it didn't penetrate at all, which, I mean, it's just like laying right on top, but this guy, I beat a little bit of snot out of it, and I welded on both sides, and it penetrated real well. I know, because I cut her in half to see. So I think I'm gonna maybe flip this guy over. I'm gonna give her another shot, but this time I'm gonna hold the heat in there a little bit longer and see what happens. I'm not gonna videotape this one just because, well, I don't want to, in case I do a really bad job. Then I'm just gonna pretend I did a good job. So this is the finished project. I held her right to the max on this one. So 150 amps. I wire brushed it and cleaned it with some denatured alcohol right prior to welding it, just to give her a little extra spoof. And then I did decent. My dabs are looking kind of fat, but it laid decently flat. So hopefully I penetrated a little bit more. And then boom, I just chewed right off that edge. And I watched it happen too, and I didn't think to pull out, I didn't think to let off the pedal. So that's completely my fault. Let's see what the backside looks like. I mean, there's some sugaring on, but you know, you can actually see, let me see if I can find a poker. You can see some rippling on this side, but not that side, which is disconcerting, really. So just for honesty's sake, oh, look at that, that one did something right here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, while she's nice and burning hot, I'm gonna put her in the vise of truth, and I'm gonna hope this time that it doesn't just bust on me, because man, that was embarrassing. Just trying to impress all my friends, and whoop, Jesus, it's a hot piece of aluminium. That smoke is from the, if it starts on fire, I swear to gosh. Alright, so there's the vise of truth. Let's put her in there. Mind you, it's still hot, so that's my excuse if it breaks. It's still hot, alright? You know what? That's not a very good spot to set you, because geez, oh Pete, this thing is just flippy floppy. Man, it's like the filming of the Blair Witch Project. So there we go. Let's see what this does. There. Get a tear, but it didn't break, so I got a tear right there, as you can see. Yeah, that's not horrible, you know. I gave her a good weapon. Once I become a better welder, you know, I'll break out the the bigger hammers. All right, thanks guys.